Let's unbox my shoes and my bag for the wedding. So, bubuksan ko na siya. I'll open it. I'll open it like this. Oh my gosh! I'm worried kasi hindi ako marunong mag-heels. Pero isusuot ko siya everyday. So, ito na siya. Shucks! Gagi yan! Ang taas! Ang taas! Oh my gosh! Ang taas nung heels. Ito na yung shoes ko! Oh my God! Ito yung shoes ko! Ang ganda! Wait lang, isusuot ko siya. Oh my God! Look at that, baby! Wow! Sobrang taas! Grabe! Ang tangkad ko na! Ang tangkad ko na, guys. First time kong magsusuot ng ganito kataas na na heels. Kasi lagi lang akong 2-3 inches. So, this is 4 inches, guys. Kaya lang, ang luwag niya. Oo, na-feel ko na sobrang luwag niya. Like, so, ayan na, malaki siya sa akin. Malaki siya sa akin, so dapat pala, 39 lang ako. Sobrang laki niya sa akin. Ayan, look at that allowance. Sobrang laki. Oh my God, this is a good one. This is a good purchase din. So last one is yung bag ko. Yung dress, wala pa. So aantayin ko yung dress before I gagi, malaki pala siya. I thought it's maliit. Kaya nga eh. Ayan pala. Okay, maliit lang talaga siya. It's maliit. Pero ang ganda nung niya, ang ganda nung tela niya, te. Oh my God, this is so good. It's so good. It's really good. Tapos ito yung niya. So dalawang, so ito yung pang small strap. Ito naman yung pang shoulder bag. Kunwari, if you want to wear it like a shoulder bag, you will use this strap. So, nakaganyan lang kayo. Ganyan lang. Ayan, nakaganyan lang. Ganyan. Ganyan. Ganon. Ganon. Ayan, nakaganyan lang siya. Oh, I get it. So, ito yung para pampaganda dito sa bag. Kaya pala eh. Sabi ko, bakit parang may kulang? Ayan, kunwari. Ayan, ganyan. O, diba? This is so cute. O, diba? This is very, very cute. Tapos, let's remove the strap. The shoulder bag strap. Ayan! Oh, pang! O, diba? Like, you will like that. Or, you will hold the bag like that. Ayan! O, diba? You will hold it like that. Oh, diba? This is so cool. Oh my God. Ayan, so marami din kayong malalagay. So, if kayo yung person na marami kayong ilagay na stuff kapag attend kayo ng mga debut or wedding or any special occasion. So, ayan, marami siyang malalagay ito. Like, everything. Like, makeup, cellphone, and power bank, and everything that you need. So, diba, mukha lang siyang maliit here, but it's so spacious. Like, ang dami niyo pwedeng ilagay. As in, kano nga to? Parang 600 something ba yan? Parang 200 and 300 lang ba? Yeah, this is so cute.
You may now kiss your wife. Everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2. Sis, kamusta ka dyan? Okay ka na? Ano sila doon? Masarap ako nga eh. Malakpakan na po natin, everybody. Louise and Grace.
I know nothing of them in stock yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights are changing my heart, my mind is set on you. I'm not afraid to say it, to say it's true. There's 5 years down the road, oh I know there's so many ways that this could go. I choose us. You know I will carry you home.
Welcome pa naman natin, everybody. Louise and Grace. Guys, stay... Let's go, Chanel!
The daylight's fading slowly. The time will be standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie from you. I cannot hide, and I'm losing the will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it.
Everybody
So
sing!
go on, come on, leave me breathless, tempt me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on.
Dahil dyan, Chanel, meron kang magkano? Alam, andito, meron kang 500! Congratulations, that's for you. Alright, sit down, everybody!
Sitting here wasted alone in this old piano, trying hard to come to this moment. This morning I don't know. Goes the battle, of course, still loud in my head. The sun blending in nightmare. This morning, songs of marching and Jesus giving my head wide open. Among all that things that I long to believe about love and truth and what you mean to me. Baby, you're all I need. I want to lay down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep in a bed of nails. Oh, I want to be just as close as we're holy roses. And lay you down on a bed of roses. Thank you.
Congratulations, may prize po kayo, ma'am. Kunin niyo na po. Thank you so ano po, ay sa inyo na daw po. Grabe na, palakpakan po natin.
Days that I long for, they go so slow, so slow. Moving in a light, holding you so close, so close. Your sweet love is all that I need. You're more than the air that I breathe. Grow on me. You came to my life like your sun rays, soft as skin like a breeze. renegade. Came to my life like a summer rain. Soft and skin like a breeze, so delicate. Love for the first time, or was it fate? Like a spark shooting stars. Came to my life like a summer rain. Soft and skin like a breeze, so delicate. Love for the first time, or was it fate? Like a spark shooting stars, renegade. Shooting stars, renegade. Shooting stars, renegade. Sometimes I wish that I could just quit, but then the other times there's nobody better than this. Except for that first time, Barcelona, I'm on the line, so hungover, I never thought that I was meant to this. So give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss.
Maraming salamat dahil nakasama namin kayo this day for our special day. And we're really thankful na naging part kayo ng buhay namin for each every one of you. And
Ayun po. Salamat po sa Diyos sa lahat po nung dumalo po dito sa aming kasal. Lahat po handpick. Almost nakadalo naman po. Nakakatuwa po na makita kayo na na nandito kasama namin sa special chapter ng buhay namin. And thank you po sa lahat nung kina Ma'am Bel sa Yes Events ng Liza. Thank you po sa mga supplier pa po na hindi na namin mababanggit. Studio Yanagi, the best. Thank you po.
Palapakan naman po natin Louise and Grace. Alam niyo, napakabuti ng puso nitong dalawang to. Ramdam na ramdam ko silang dalawa.